I'm back in the London Penthouse, as you can see. There's a train and another one, and this is Canary Wharf. Down there in the far, in the distance, you see the HSBC buildings and stuff. Barclays, the banking world of England happens down there, and the River Thames and everything down there. I'm here jetting a stormwater line on a balcony, but I just thought I'd show you guys. This isn't really a video where you're going to see a hell of a lot of action, but I thought I'd just show the Waterjet in action, because this is a different one. This is my electric Waterjet. It flows 10 liters a minute, but you can see the size of the hose. It's small, so it works well in restaurants and that kind of thing. The reason we're using this here is because my van is all the way down there, and obviously I don't plan on bringing my diesel mounted hose all the way up to the top here, because we are 6 floors up. So this is just to jet a stormwater outlet on a roof. It's not actually 100% blocked, but it's part of a property maintenance that we do yearly. We do that building, this one, and then there's another 2 of these in that direction. So yeah, I'm just going to jet it. Like I said, the main reason for the video is just to show the electric Waterjet. It can do things that the diesel can't do. It's just a lot less powerful, but 10 liters a minute at 2,500 psi, it's more than enough for what I'm doing now. Like I said, it works well in restaurants with 40 and 50 mil waste pipes. This is ideal. Also in restaurants, it's quiet if they got customers around, and there's no fumes because obviously it's electric. It just runs off a 240 volt plug supply. The water supply is just off a garden tap through a normal hose, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it works. So this is the water pressure through the hose, just with the water supply on. We'll see if we can do a little demonstration of it out the pipe with it on, just to show how it works. But I just need to give this a flush, and then we should be good. Okay, so that's pretty much the flush done. I'm gonna just see if we can get a video of this. You can actually feel it pulling up when it's on. So yeah, like I say, this is just a flush. the run underneath here is only about 2 meters long. But yeah, pretty cool place. People be balling. I wouldn't mind living up here. Can be a bit windy at times. Otherwise, yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you later.